Well, we're arriving at the Green Chile Cheeseburger Contest Cook-Off. And we're here with Jack Schweitzer, who's the local registered historian and expert on cheeseburgers.
Hey, how are you?
Hi.
No, it's the other one.
Hey, guys. How you doing, man?
Hello.
What did I say?
Look at what we got here.
Young Guns.
Who have we got? Who have we got here?
Mike, Wanda, Kendall, and Rosie.
All right.
We're from Angel Fire.
All right. I guess I better try one of these,
Yeah,
huh?
please do. Are you vlogging?
Found out where to vote.
Oh, damn.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I am. Travels with Dottie.
Which one?
It's called Travels with Dottie.
Travels with Dottie, okay?
This is the test, and this is the drive. Okay? What are you doing?
Oh, that's pretty darn good. Oh, that should be illegal. Now we have a line on this one. Let me tell you something. That first one was really, really, really good. Wow. It's gone, but the flavor's still in my mouth. Excellent. Just the green, don't let chili cheese, don't let it throw you. It's not too hot. There's just a hint of heat. I mean, a hint. And I don't like spicy stuff much, but I sure like this. Did you have one?
Oh, did I?
Well, what'd you think? What's the?
In about 3 seconds.
It was gone in 3 seconds.
Outstanding.
All right. And who do we have here? Hello there. Hi. Would you like to be on YouTube?
That's Maxwell.
Hey, Maxwell. Say hi to everybody on YouTube.
Hi, buddy.
He's not a talker.
He's not a talker. He's a gawker.
Yep.
So this year there was only 2 contestants, and we waited for a while in a pretty long line for the second one, and decided to go across the street to the saloon to have a real one, a real whole one that we'll pay for, and we'll show you what that looks like. I think there was at least a half a dozen contestants last year and only 2 this year. It's a little disappointing. Better 2's better than none, though, right? We're going into the saloon, and they were the winners last year. Nice little crowd in here.
The other day?
No,
Oh, you didn't? There's a guy that looks just like you.
no, you scared me for a minute. It's in my pocket.
No. There's a guy online that they posted and it looked just like you. Is this him? And, and then they go, we found him. So I didn't know it was you. But
No, it wasn't me.
Cool, good deal.
Thank you. Right, you can eat outside here, I guess. Yeah, there's outside if you want to bring your dog.
We're going to get a burger here pretty quick.
Well, what do you got there, Jack?
It's a low-calorie dish. It's served only here in New Mexico.
Oh, okay.
Something about green chili and it said it's a low-cal dish.
It is a low-cal dish, I can tell.
Well, maybe the emphasis is on the wrong syllable. It might be local. It is local, but it's not low-cal.
Okay, so while you're eating that, can you explain? I'm going to turn this video into a preview for tomorrow. Where are we going tomorrow, Jack?
We're going to follow the El Camino Real and the part of the old Spanish Trail from Santa Fe Plaza into Taos, driving down the low road, which is along the Rio Grande. And then from there, from the plaza, we're going to head north, taking what's called the high road, which was the road that took the wagons and supplies into the little small Spanish subsistence ranchos that existed where the water flowed out of the Sangre de Cristo Mountains and could irrigate the fields. So they're generally at high elevation. So I'm going to cut this. I got to eat.
I just had to show the cross-section here. This is pretty darn good.
They're going to have to go a ways to win something over there, let me tell you.
All right, so we fortified ourselves with maybe the best chili cheeseburger in New Mexico. I think it'd be a contender, don't you think?
Well, that's right up there with the best ones I've ever had. And given my bulk, you know, I've had a hell of a lot of them. So.
And we're going to get up tomorrow at dark 30, and we're going to leave on a day trip out of here. I'm going to ask Jack to talk about where we're going, why we're going, where we're going, and how it ties into this sign down here that says Eagle Nest
Adventure Base Camp.
Adventure Base Camp. Take it away, Jack.
Well, let's talk about the Adventure Base Camp part of it first. We have a brochure that says Explorer's Guide for Eagle Nest Adventure Base Camp, which is how we're marketing the place. We're a town of 315 people located at 8,300 feet in elevation. And if you're from the plains to the east of us, where it can be humid and hot and damn hot, this is a relief during the summer. But Eagle Nest itself is a nice, friendly little community, and we have all types of lodging, RVs, Airbnbs, hotels, motels, cabins, and we suggest you use this as a base of operations for exploring northern New Mexico. And with that in mind, Rob and I are going to take a drive tomorrow. Santa Fe is about 103 miles from where we're at right now by road, which is certainly within the realm of a day trip from here. And there's a whole lot to see between here and there. So what we're going to be doing is leaving here tomorrow at dark 30. We're going to travel over the mountains here into Taos and then head south on what's known as the low road to Taos, or in reverse, the low road to Santa Fe. And we're going to drive to the plaza. And our focus is going to be, rather than the low road, we'll tell you about the low road, but it's going to be on the high road. And from the plaza in Santa Fe, both the El Camino Real and later on, much later on, the old Spanish Trail took off for points north. The high road went through the original were Spanish farming communities that were located on the west side of the Sangre de Cristos, wherever a stream came out and there was arable land that could be irrigated. The Spanish farmers, rancheros, would then put in small subsistence farms. And so the high road was a way to get merchandise to there and goods from there for sale. And I did mention the old Spanish Trail. The old Spanish Trail had a couple different variants, but they all started in Santa Fe, and the end of the Spanish Trail was Los Angeles, California. And so it came up, and one of those trails went up through Chama, and the other one went through Abiquiu. But back to the high road. There are a series of towns that are small Spanish settlements, and they were Spanish, so these were prior to 1821 when Mexican independence took place. And so we're going to travel that road. and we're going to talk about the wealth of historical things that have taken place there. We're going to visit several of the Indian pueblos, Picaris, Nambe, not in that order, and then the Spanish farming communities and ranching communities that sprung up near those for agricultural purposes. And eventually we'll wend our way back into Taos. But I don't want to talk too much about that because we're going to cover that in detail tomorrow. But I do want to mention again, using Eagle Nest as an adventure base camp. It happens to be one of the most affordable places on the Enchanted Circle. And it's within the realm of possibilities, as I said, to make a day trip to Santa Fe, over to Los Alamos, Jemez Hot Springs. You can go to Cachacatue, which is a national monument, and to the west of us, obviously Taos and Ranchos to Taos, Taos Pueblo, Red River, Cuesta, and
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, the original Las Vegas.
Las Vegas, New Mexico, the home of where they shot the series Longmire.
Right. And of course, we had one of the films, a prisoner exchange for Longmire took place here in town. So all those are within day trips. We're hard against the Colorado border here, so trips over to the Great Sand Dunes, which are up in the San Luis Valley, can also be a day trip if you wish. The brochure, which I dropped, Eagle Nest Explorer's Guide, I want to mention that if you go to visiteaglenest.org, you'll find the website for the Visitor Center and Museum here. And in addition to that, we have all of the places that you might want to recreate. There are links there, and all you'll need to do is to click on those links to find that out. And also, we have a series of detailed drives that you can look up on Google Maps for some of these things and utilizing Eagle Nest as an adventure base camp. So I think, unless Rob has something else, that's it for now, and we'll see you on our way south, heading down to Santa Fe and the plaza on the low road, and then we'll take our time coming back at high road. So,
and what I'll say two things. One is that I'm going to bet I'm going to have my typical road trip reaction where I say, I had no idea this was in New Mexico. And that seems to be a theme that happens over and over again. And I want to reiterate the climate here in Eagle Nest being, I consider it ideal. Right now it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and I would say the temperature with a mild breeze is about 78 degrees here in the sun. And climate differences happen close by, because I guarantee you, if you go the 22 miles to Taos, it'll be 10 degrees hotter.
If not a bit more. And so just know that we're situated in the Moreno Valley, and we've got a motorcycle coming in here, and we'll probably sign this off for now.
Yeah,
and we'll see you tomorrow.
Take
Take care.
Visitors, take care.